Housemate Kang, please explain why do you refuse to wear clothes?
Big brother, are you aware of the story of Adam and Eve? Isn't it that they were created by God without nothing on their body? Big brother, when you were a child, isn't it that you are more comfortable to play and more enjoyable to play when you don't have nothing on your body? Big brother, I have three different reasons why I do advocate for this banning of clothes. First, big brother, is the cost. Clothes nowadays are too expensive. And in our part, we're having this economic problem. That's why some people do not have the money to buy clothes. So if you ban clothing, there's equality, big brother. Second, second is the allergies, the skin irritations that we will encounter. Big brother, there are people that choose not to wear these clothes because it will give harm to their skins. Third, big brother, and the most important reason why I do advocate for this banning of clothes is if we ban clothes, it will lessen the prejudice. Big brother, we talk to people very politely and very respectable. Depends upon their clothes. If they are in formal clothes, we are very good to them. But if we see children who wear rag clothes, big brother, we don't talk to them in a nice way, big brother. Isn't that what we call unfair? So, big brother, if you really ban these clothes, we will have equality, big brother. So, I really highly recommend that we should ban this clothing for the sake of equality and comfortability. So, with big brother, you may understand me if I do not want to wear clothes.